Welcome to the English Corner, where stories come to life to help you improve your English speaking and listening skills. In this episode, we will take you on a journey through a timeless tale, one that carries deep wisdom and teaches an important life lesson. As you listen, pay attention to the way words are pronounced, how sentences flow, and how emotions are conveyed through storytelling. You can pause and repeat parts of the story to practice speaking aloud. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story of This Too Shall Pass. Once upon a time, in a vast and prosperous kingdom, there ruled a wise and just king. His reign was marked by peace, prosperity, and the admiration of his people. Yet, despite his success, the king knew that life was unpredictable. He had seen kingdoms rise and fall, experienced both the joy of great victories and the sorrow of deep losses. He longed for a source of wisdom, something that would guide him through life's triumphs and tribulations. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson, the king gathered his most trusted advisors in the grand hall of his palace. The flickering candlelight cast long shadows on the walls as he addressed them. "I seek wisdom that will remain true in all circumstances," the king declared. "I want words that will give me strength in times of despair and keep me humble in times of great success. Something simple, yet profound. Can you provide this wisdom?" The advisors, the wisest men in the land, exchanged glances. They were scholars, philosophers, and poets, men who had spent their lives studying ancient texts and uncovering the mysteries of existence. They debated among themselves, but no single answer seemed worthy of the king's request. Days turned into weeks as they searched for the perfect words. They consulted old scrolls, debated deep philosophies, and studied the teachings of past rulers. But nothing seemed to fit. At last, an old sage, who had lived for many years in solitude in the distant mountains, was summoned to the palace. He arrived at the king's court, his long robes dusted with the journey's wear, his eyes twinkling with the wisdom of many years. The sage bowed deeply before the king and extended his wrinkled hand, holding a small, unadorned golden ring. The king took it and turned it in his fingers. Inside the band, engraved in the simplest of scripts, were four words: "This too shall pass." The king frowned slightly, puzzled by the simplicity of the inscription. He looked up at the sage and asked, "Is this truly the great wisdom I have sought?" The old man smiled and nodded. "Your Majesty, these words will serve you in ways you cannot yet imagine. When you stand victorious and are filled with pride, read them, and you will remember that success is fleeting. When you face great sorrow and believe all is lost, read them again, and you will find comfort, knowing that pain is temporary. This truth will be your guide." The king, though uncertain, slipped the ring onto his finger. Years passed, and the king ruled with great wisdom. He expanded his kingdom, forged alliances, and led his people into a golden age. He was beloved by all, and his power seemed limitless. One day, he stood on the battlefield after a great victory. The enemy had been defeated, and his soldiers cheered his name. He felt invincible, as though nothing could shake his reign. But as he raised his hand in triumph, his fingers brushed against the ring. He glanced at the words inside. "This too shall pass." The joy in his heart settled into quiet reflection. He realized that no victory, no matter how grand, would last forever. Today's triumph could become tomorrow's downfall. He lowered his hand, smiled, and instead of basking in pride, he knelt before his men, thanking them for their courage. Many seasons passed. The kingdom flourished, and the king grew older. Then, as life often does, fate brought sorrow upon him. His dearest friend and most trusted advisor fell ill. The best physicians were summoned, but none could save him. When the man finally passed, the king was overcome with grief. He locked himself away in his chambers, unwilling to see anyone. For days, he ate little and spoke even less. He wandered his empty halls, the laughter and warmth of his friend now gone forever. One evening, as he sat by the window, staring at the moonlit gardens, his hands absent-mindedly turned the golden ring on his finger. His eyes fell upon the inscription, "This too shall pass." At first, he felt bitter. How could this pain pass? He thought. How could life continue when my heart feels so heavy? But as time went on, he noticed something. His sorrow, though still present, had changed. The ache in his heart, though deep, became bearable. The memories of his friend, once painful to recall, became a source of warmth. He realized that grief, like joy, was not eternal. Slowly, he stepped back into the light of his kingdom, carrying his friend's memory with him. Years later, the kingdom faced its greatest trial. A terrible drought struck the land. The rivers dried, the fields cracked under the scorching sun, and the people suffered. Food grew scarce, and despair spread through the kingdom. The king, who had always been strong, now felt powerless. One night, he walked through the silent streets of his capital. The usual bustling markets were empty. The children who once played in the courtyards now sat hungry by their homes. He felt the weight of responsibility pressing upon his shoulders. He stopped by the city's central well, now dry and barren. As he leaned against the cool stone, his hand brushed against the ring. He sighed and whispered the words aloud. "This too shall pass." The reminder gave him strength. This drought would not last forever. Just as the seasons changed, so too would this hardship. With renewed determination, he rallied his people. He sent envoys to neighboring lands, trading gold for grain. He encouraged his farmers to dig deeper wells and find new ways to sustain life. Months passed, and just as hope began to wane, dark clouds gathered in the sky. A single raindrop fell, then another and another. Soon, the heavens opened, releasing a downpour that soaked the land, filling the rivers once more. The people rejoiced, dancing in the streets as the earth drank deeply. The king, standing at the palace balcony, watched with a knowing smile. He turned the ring on his finger and whispered, "This too shall pass." Time, as always, moved forward. The king grew old, and his hair turned silver. One evening, he sat in his garden, watching the sunset paint the sky in brilliant hues. His son, the crown prince, sat beside him. "My son," the king said, taking his hand, "I have ruled for many years, and I have learned one great truth." He slid the ring from his finger and placed it into the young prince's palm. No matter what you face in life, joy or sorrow, triumph or hardship, remember these words. This too shall pass. They have guided me, and they will guide you. The prince, though young, nodded solemnly and slipped the ring onto his finger. And so, the wisdom of the ring was passed down through generations. A reminder that nothing in life is permanent, for neither the brightest joy nor the deepest sorrow lasts forever. Thank you for listening to today's story on the English Corner. We hope you found it both inspiring and helpful for your English learning journey. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this episode, and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.